Miami, and we're about to go eat at the Knife. Ready to go check it out?
What?
Never mind.
Can't hear with the music.
You can't hear me with the music? That's okay. We're not here to listen to music. We're here to eat, so let's go check it out. While we're here in Miami, we're gonna go do the Sky View Miami. That's right. If you look up there, we got oh, there I am. There you are. We got Ferris wheel, so we're gonna go check out the Ferris wheel, and they have military discounts as well. So if you're military here in Miami waiting for your cruise ship, come on over here and check out this Ferris wheel. Just so you know what that was, it's humid here, and Heejin's hair went. My hair went choo. Can you see it? I don't know if you can tell it. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Heejin, for saving my day. Just a pro tip, when you come into this cabin, just know that they're made for people that are like 4, 5 and less. So you both hit your head on the ceiling.
But it's AC.
But it is AC. Let's go check out the view. Not that view, silly. This view. Wondering where our hotel's at, it's right there, the YVE. So it's just like right across the street from this Ferris wheel. All the shopping, all the restaurants, all the bars, and cruise ship terminals are right there. I don't know if you can see it, but right over there is Freedom Tower. The Freedom Tower was built here a while ago, and during the Cuban Revolution, before all these skyscrapers were here, it seems that the Cubans that were defecting Cuba would use that as their marker to come to and would consider themselves free. So it was named Freedom Tower, and it's actually on the National Registry of Historical Places. I know you already did it because I did it too. Which one of those did you pick? Put in the comments what slip, what number, and I can go back and trace it and see if it's one that I would pick. Well, our time here is coming to an end. I really like it. Did you like it, Houston?
Yes, for someone who's afraid of heights.
For someone that's afraid of heights, you liked it?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel that bad, right? It's not
No.
bumpy or nothing. It's very smooth. The climate control is very nice. So if she didn't freak out, you shouldn't either. Oh, we're going backwards now. Guess they missed their stop. Beep, 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 beep. All right, so we just finished eating at the night. It was really cool. It's right in the heart of everything. You come on over to Bayside. You see the Hard Rock Cafe. It's right across the street from it. It's in between the Hard Rock Cafe and the big Ferris wheel. It's upstairs. Phenomenal, right? Would you like it?
Yes.
Would you recommend
Must try.
it? Yeah, must try. See, if Heisha likes it, then you know it's got to be good because she's like the pickiest eater I know. It's on the internet, so it's got to be true.